Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see how to make chia seed smoothie for weight loss. This smoothie is packed with chia seeds which are high in fiber and protein, perfect for filling and nutritious snack that supports weight loss. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, full of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids that promote fat burning and support digestion. Half apple, high in fiber and vitamin C, helps with digestion and boosts metabolism. Half banana, adds natural sweetness and provides energy. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, low in calories and provides a creamy texture. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Slice the apple and banana. Blend. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.